Hey everyone, here is a Hampton Bay St. Clair 52-inch ceiling fan and polished brass. Yes, I do have them like that downstairs in the basement in the family room downstairs in the basement at my own house for pretend. But anyways, that's enough of my own house for pretend in Farmington, so let's get started. Here's the light. I can't reach. Maybe this would help. And here's the fan, starting with low. I'm just videotaping the identical ceiling fan I do have in the family room downstairs in the basement at my own house for pretend in Farmington. And yes, I do have them like that at my own house. So that's on medium. But that's low. Now here is medium. I can't reach. Maybe this would do. There's medium speed. Now next speed on this ceiling fan, this identical ceiling fan that I do have in the family room downstairs in the basement at my own house for pretend in Farmington, high. Here's the light one more time, but I'm shutting this thing off. And I'm gonna get off of there and turn the switch off. And that is totally it on this 52-inch Hampton Bay St. Clair ceiling fan, which is the identical ceiling fan that I do have down in the family room at my own house for pretend, downstairs in the basement. Yep. And yes, I do have this identical ceiling fan in the family room downstairs in the basement at my own house for pretend in antique brass. So comment, rate, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. That's it, everybody.